All right, so you should have finished the practice problems on your own before watching this video, because this video has your we're gonna walk through how you should have solved these. So both of these you were given figures, and you had to come up with the rule. Okay, notice how both of these start at figure 1. Okay, so hopefully you caught that, because in order for us to write an equation, we need to have figure 0. Before we can find figure 0, we need to find the growth, right? Okay, so figure 1 in this first example has 3. Figure 2 has 3, 4, 5. So it looks like we're going to be adding 2, but let's just make sure. Figure 2 has 5, and then it goes to 4, 5, 6, 7. So I went from 5 to 7, which is also plus 2. So I think that that's pretty safe to say that our rule is going to be 2x, because remember the number with x, that's your growth. This 2, that's our growth number. And now to find out our starting point, remember, is figure 0. So we got to go backwards. They give us figure 1. We don't have figure 0 yet. So if we picture, and feel free, you guys, to draw these out if it helps you. Figure 1 has 3 of them. So if we know our growth is plus 2, to go backwards, I'm going to subtract 2. So if I take off 2 here, that's going to just leave me with 1. So my starting point should be 1. So if you had 2x plus 1, good job, you got it right. Okay, let's look at the second one here. Again, hopefully you noticed that they started at figure 1. Actually, I'm going to pause here for a second. If you realize maybe a mistake you made, pause this video and fix it for number 2 before I go through the answer, okay? Pause the video, fix your number 2, so that way you can try to do this on your own, and then come back to the video after you fixed it, okay? All right, so if you paused it, I'm glad to have you back here. Let's figure out number 2. So figure 1 has 4, 5, 6, 7. So figure 1 has 7 tiles. Figure 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we went from 7 to 10, that's plus 3. Let's just double check. So now I have 10. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So plus 3 is right, because I went from 7 plus 3, 10, plus 3, 13. So my growth value in this case is going to be 3, 3x, because that's the growth number is the number that always goes with x. And then to go backwards, because remember I only have figure 1, I need figure 0, that's where the starting point is. So to go backwards, I have to subtract 3. So if you imagine, there's 3 right here, imagine taking those 3 off, there are only 4 tiles left. Okay, so the rule for number 2 should have been 3x plus 4. I hope you guys did okay on that. If not, please join us for our study sessions on Tuesdays and ask some questions about these. I'd love to get more people on there. It's kind of lonely sometimes. We talk about more than just math, so if you want to just come hang out with us and maybe get some help too, that'd be great.